Yo, yo, what up? What up, YouTube? It's your boy Money Games. This is a continuation from my last video, pre-market trading. And I ain't gonna lie, guys, I FOMO, man. I think I take a trade here. Let me analyze this trade real quick. I like how this moves. Look how fast the tape is moving. Okay, I jumped in at 807. Tape stalling a little bit. But it's not going down. Not fast enough for me to want to jump out. Trying to get that 20 break. Didn't get it. So I just exited the position early. So I'm only up like $11, $12 on day. And look at that, man. This is not my best trading. That stock went up to 20 cents. Like today sucked for me. Like I was at work today and I was real busy today. Look at that. I was at work today and I was real busy. And as soon as I got some free time to trade and open up my laptop, like this trade here was one of it. This is definitely not my setup. I bought a stock going up on the breakout. It dipped a little bit, but I wouldn't prefer that. So that's what I did, man. I just jumped in the trade and got lucky and I made money on it. So I think I'm feeling a little FOMO here because I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of mad because I exited that trade so early, and I think I'm about to fall for some revenge trading, some more revenge trading. Your boy got sucked into the revenge. Look at that, could have made 20-30 cents, man. And I'm telling you, me looking at it got me kind of like down. So I think I can't like while I was in this shit trading, the emotions got me. So I'm about to take a nasty trade. I do remember that. Let's see. It's pulling back some. Like it's like I like this stock. Like it's going up. You see some greens going up, but it's getting overextended now. Like it's getting extended. Like, look how far it is from these EMAs. Like this right here, this little where I bought it, that was a straight up chase. Straight up chase. And that's one of my rules, man. Don't chase stocks. Like you don't want to chase these stocks, man. Too many times it'll fall back on your ass, break you. So I chased that. I got lucky and made some money. You gotta wait for your setup and your strategies, man. You want to take your setup and your strategies the same way, the same time, all the time, every day, like a damn robot. So I was an emotional trade right there. I just want to jump in because I saw it going up so fast, so I jumped in. Shouldn't have did that. It's a bad habit. You don't want to form these bad habits in the market because you can get paid off of them. That's the scary part. So anyway, it's getting overextended. So I'm really waiting for the pullback, and here it comes. Now, the pullback is coming now. I really now this is some FOMO trading right here because it's coming down, and then look. I don't think I even look at the 15-minute chart. Look at the 15-minute chart. Like when this really starts showing red, and it's bouncing a little bit. I should have already been in the trade to catch that little bounce, but when it started to show red, I'm cautious on it. Like you don't want that 15-minute to be red, man, because it's like the start of a downtrend. Like it's finna go red. Like I don't know. I can't explain it. Can't articulate it like I want to. But really, because that is the highest time frame, and the highest time frame always take like weight over the lower time frame. The highest time frame is like the respected time frame. You know what I mean? So anyway, I missed the trade, and now I remember like this trade I'm finna take after this. This was definitely a FOMO trade because I missed the dip. Like this is the second dip. Like if I'm gonna be in it like this, I need to be getting out right now. Like I can't be waiting. Like I should be getting out. Like if I'm gonna be holding this position, there's no way. This is a mistake. I should not have took it. I shouldn't take this trade way up here, man. Look at this. Man. This is a bad trade. I need to be taking it down here. Like it's all covered up now, but all my VWAPs, like this is, damn man, I can't really see, but like that's 740, and this support line is at 750. So I'm pretty sure that green line is probably at 750. It's like 740. Like yeah, that's at 741 I think behind that. So that VWAP on the 15-minute, which is the largest time frame that I'm looking at that kind of holds weight, whatever that do is like the time the larger time frame or the smaller time frames react to what the larger time frame is doing. That's how I look at it. It's my thought process. So I really should have just waited all the way down here for this dip, because my strategy, you have to put yourself in the highest probable chance that is going to bounce. Like if you're going long, you got to give yourself the best odds. And the best odds is buying at a level where all of your charts match up. You know what I mean? Like buying it like at the VWAP, that really at 740, at 756. This VWAP's lower, but watch how the tape goes on. It's gonna start matching up perfectly. And I like that. I should have took that trade, but this is a bad trade, y'all. I kind of rented on it, but go ahead. So it's going against me. Look at all the red. I should just exit the position instead of adding. That was a mistake. Like what I'm adding on. What am I adding on? There's no ground beneath me. That shit's gonna drop. Yes, I already know now because I already took this trade and I definitely remember this one because I took like a big loss on it. But this is gonna drop. Like I should not have took this trade. I'd be better off buying it at $8 because that is a psychological support level. 826. I'm in at 826, man. I'm in there high, man. This bull. I gotta do better than that, real. For real. You gotta do better than that, money. I bet at 2,600 shares. I think I had opportunity to make some money off of it. But this is a paper account. And once I go up my CMEG account, it's going to be a losing trade regardless. Because I think they charge like $8. Like they charge like $2.95 round trip. But with everything added up, it equals up to about $8.24. Equals up to about that. So I got to make at least $8.24 to even make my money back when I go to CMEG. I already traded with them before. I just started paper trade. I had to redo my strategy. But anyway, like I need to be quicker, man. I need to be quicker because this stock's not gonna hold up for long. See how it's holding up? It's holding up on air. If it was holding up, like if this stock was, I should have got out right there. If this stock was holding up, doing what it's doing down here, I would definitely feel a lot better. But I knew this. I knew I should have gotten out when I was trading this stock. I knew I took too long. I'm telling you, man. I FOMO and it's revenge trading. So I shouldn't have bought that shit. Kind of mad at myself on that one. Like right here, right there, man. Like right there. Why I'm not exiting? Why? That stock is on air, money. Look at this. Look at this. I had plenty of time to exit, and I still didn't do it. Bad trading, man. Look, now it's going against me. Should be exiting. Still holding. Probably looking for an ad, but I mean, an ad, like, my strategy does require getting ads. Yes, I like to average down. But I mean, there's nothing really close here to average down to. The next ideal spot to average down at would be right here on the 5 minute, or right here on the 3 minute, or really I should have added the 8. If I was gonna get in right here in my first buy, I shouldn't have added right here this close. I should have, because I'm in too high. I should have either just let it go against me, add at 8, and then add again here, and then add again here. And if it goes against me, and then I put my stop loss, my max stop loss, because that'd have been down here. I've added here and added here in the same candle. It's just bad trading. Bad trading. Level 2, time of sales showing red. Acting like it wants to go up, but it really is just the market makers trying to trap these longs. I'm not the only way to trade the way I do. Could have got out for break. I could have got out for break even right there. This is tripping, man. I'm tripping. tripping hard. Letting it run against me. But like my share size is so small, like whatever loss that I'm taking, like I should have cut the loss because it wouldn't have made a dent in my account. Yeah, I took a loss on the day, but it weren't nothing to my account. Like down $20, $1,000 account, like that ain't nothing. So I went at it again right there towards 8, where I should have did my second ash. Like now I only have one more bullet, just in case. See what happens? I don't. That's my last bullet. I did 25 shares. I do 50. I'm trying to save my bullets. I should have added at 8. I was in that. I don't know what I was in at, but if I would have added down there, I'd have like a better average than what I got now, and I probably would have got some off a bounce. Like I probably got like a little bounce off 8, but it's still not even bouncing. So I got caught in the dump basically. I'm going down the toilet. I'm getting shitted out right now. Like they taking the dump on me, bro. I got dumped on. I'm catching the falling knife. I got caught catching the falling knife. Cut me up. So I just cut it off right there. Lost about $50 right there in the trade. Yeah. I was in my max full size. Put my stop loss. Had to cut it off. And sometimes with Dash Trader, man, like that wasn't 25-cent stop loss. I had a 25-cent stop loss. I had to manually cut that off because Dash Trader it takes my cents off like 10, 20 cents sometimes. So I'm down $36 on the day. Like that's nothing. Like that's not gonna stop me from trading the next day. So like being down $36, $20 is cool with me. I can keep trading the next day. You gotta stay in this game long and track all your trades. Come on, man. Come on, Red. Come on, dog. What you doing? All right. Hold up. I'm just gonna bring that back because I want to see. All right. So it's still in the air on the 5-minute and the 15-minute, but this is a better buy opportunity here. This is by the support levels here. Big volume red bar, and it's struggling to go down lower. The volume picked up with this, and it's struggling to go down lower. Like they got some YouTube channels out here that talks about volume exhaustion candles, stuff like that. And I think this is one of them right here. This is an exhaustion candle to the downside. But let's see what happens though. Is it gonna bounce? It's trying. They trying to push it down. And I think I'm gonna enter a trade here. Yeah, there we go. I entered that 80. Now, I entered this trade. My mindset is fucked up right now. I should have quit on the day. I shouldn't even really jumped in. Like I just took that big loss. I should have shut down my broker. But right, cause like I shouldn't have took this trade. It's still not here. It's still not here. Look at this. It's still in the air. Still in the air. So, two things. I should have just waited down there to take a trade because I'll probably feel more comfortable with how fucked up my mindset is right now for taking that loss. Or I should just miss this trade. Like, shouldn't even take this trade right here. Even though I think I'll make some money on it, but like this is like a loss. Because if I was in CMEG, I think into like a small scout. I can't do this 50 shares in the CMEG account. You know what I mean? Gotta have more shares. I gotta beat commissions. It's hold it up, which is cool. It's why I haven't sold yet. The level 2 type of sales. It's what I'm looking at, what I'm focusing on. I get a little push, but this is real heavy. This is it's trading real heavy, and I'm saying that because it's not going. The bids are not going up fast and seamless. You know what I mean? It goes up a couple cents and it goes back down. 3 since down 82. Okay, can it go up? Can it go back to 83? Down to 80. It's going down. That's weakness. That's weakness. So I should have added right here. This is a good spot to add. It went down to 69. See that? It's coming down. Look at level 2. So it'll come down to 69. Boom. See, that's the lowest it went. And it came back up from 69. I should have added right there. That's a good spot to add at. Because it found support on the 9 EMA on the 3-minute chart. But that's not going to last long because that is the lowest time frame. And that's reacting to the big time frame, the larger time frames. So I should have added to my position, had 100 shares at 780. But I'm not even thinking like that. I don't know what I'm thinking about. This is definitely a revenge trade I just took because I lost money. This is a revenge trade. I should have added because I don't know what I'm thinking about. And then watch this. When your mindset is messed up, man, you don't make the best trades. Because I think I'm going to exit out of here. Like, watch this. See, look out. The tape is real heavy. And that's what got me. That's what got me wanting to get out this trade too. Because I just lost money on it. And the tapes, and it's not moving like I want to, so I exit. And I exit for what? A measly 4 cents. If I had like 1,000 shares, 2,500 shares, cool. But 50 shares is not gonna cut it. Can't do 4 cents for 50 shares, man. Look at that. It's gonna rip at least 10 cents. I could have got out there 6 cents, 5 cents maybe. Yo, excuse me, man. Excuse me. Hold on. Got this 6, 7, 5 cents. Damn. Look at that. Could have got out 90, at least 98, 99 cent gain. But my mindset's messed up. Revenge trading. Look at it. Now, I'm glad I did sell right there. Now, look at this. Now, this is what you call a hidden seller, man. New trades out there. Look at this. Like first of all, let me pause. Let me pause this right here. Like, look at this. Look at this. There's a lot of sellers right there. 788. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sellers versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buyers. I don't care how many. I don't care if it's one less like that or whatever. It's a weakness. Look at the tape. Green and red, green and red, green and red. It doesn't even know where it wants to go on the tape. People buying is people selling. But how the level 2 looks, it's an indication of it reversing and going down. So it's about to go down. Like, this tape is weak. And then the hidden seller comes. And this is why it's the hidden seller. Let me run that back. Here it goes. 90s on the ass. Wait for 90s to get back on the ass. You can see the hidden seller. You're going to see the hidden seller. All right, here we go. So this is the hidden seller. Like, you see these 91s? Look at 791, right? That's 1, 2, that's 300 shares at 791, right? You got 300 shares, 1, 2 at 790. You got some more down here. Why the heck is 790 still here? Why is he still here? He should be gone. It's printing 791. It's printing above him, but he's still here. Hidden seller, y'all. He refreshed the bid. The dude got hundreds of shares out there selling at 790. He don't want to go up below 8. Bull crap, man. Get out the way, dog. Look at that. All those greens, man, they won't break through, and it just went and crashed on you. There go that hidden seller. You gotta look at that tape. You gotta look at that tape, man. People that be on like TOS, Thinkorswim, or Webull, and they don't have this here, this direct market access, this time and sales, and they can't see this level 2 like this. Man, you got a disadvantage. to the people that do have direct market access. And I'd rather just pay for that, man. I don't need to go to TOS and have the free stuff. You can't even trade in the first minute with TOS. I used to have TOS. Before it went free, it was good. It went free, it went down, man. It's like soon, the day that it went free, the next trading day, you could not trade the 1 minute candle. I ain't gonna say that. It was acting up, kind of leading up to that. Before that, you could see that, but especially when it went free, you definitely couldn't trade that 1 minute candle. They stopped that. All right, let's see. So it's gonna go down. It's 4-1. It's gonna keep watching all this. Now, this is and that's what I was saying about earlier. Like, this is my setup and my strategy. What I said, like, this is my setup right here. See how it's coming down to this 9 EMA. Now look, I'm gonna pause it here. Damn, I can't see right there. But look, it says 741 and 752. Okay, what about this one? Oh, look, 741, 752 on the 3 minute. Okay, this is about this one. Oh, 750. So this is a little sooner. See, these two are matching up, which is giving me or you know, want to do the strategy, whatever, the high probable chance that it's going to bounce. It's giving you those high odds. You know what I'm saying? It's like you got pocket aces, and you know this fool a donkey. He gonna bet he's a fish. He gonna bet all his stack against you, man. You got 4 of a kind. This fool still finna bet. It's like right here, man. You got a high chance of making your money right here, and watch. And that's, remember early in the video I said I shouldn't be buying. I should be buying here. And now I know like I said, I already know I seen it like hindsight, but actually when I was in this trade, I was thinking the same thing. And then you see, it's gonna come down. It's gonna touch it. Let's see. It might not touch. You're not gonna get like these support and these levels. They're areas. They're not exact. These are areas or zones, supply and demand zones. So it's coming down, and you see that. You see that. Like, this is how I read the tape. This is how I'm reading the tape right now. It's coming. This is where I would enter at, and that's how I do my other trade. Now I messed up. You see how it's coming down? They go to reds. It went to 57, but it's going back up to 58. 68 quick. 58 quick. It didn't do it slow like before. There's buying down here. It goes down to 59. 60's right back. Now it's going up 60, 62, 63, 60. And this is the bounce. I should be entering right there at 64, 62, and get in with the bounce. That's my strategy. Look at that. It's not going down, it's going up. Even though they trying to look at the red going through, they trying to make it go down 65, 64. Can it go back up? Yep, look at it. Jump 3 cents on their ass. 67s, 66. Can it keep going? 66. Like, if I'm in this trade, long as it's holding, I will be holding this stock. It's not going against you. There you go. The squeeze is happening. They finna get squeezed. Get the time of sales. It's a little tape reading analysis right here. I don't think no other dudes on YouTube be not like they're not analyze the tape, but they're not doing it like this, man. I'm telling you, they're not really showing you the mindset and the process of how to analyze this tape. I'm not that good at it, but I've gotten better at it, and I can read this tape. But anyway, it's squeezing, and I should have entered there. Man. All this up here, this trade right there and this trade right here, this is all FOMO, revenge, stupid trading. I don't buy red candles when there's no support level. I don't do it. But I did that time. Now look at this nasty rip. Look at that. You know why it bounced there? Because it's at a psychological $half number, 750. It didn't get down there, but that's what people thinking about. They didn't want to get that low. They buying in before that. That's how strong it is. Then you got these 9 EMAs here, and then you have the VWAP, and then it's matching up the same way on the other time frame. It's like confirmation. That's all confirmation. I use all that stuff to make trades, along with the tape. When I look at the tape when I want to do an entry precisely, but I look at the chart when to look for a setup. I scan the charts. Oh, there goes setup. Now look at the tape. Do I want to take a trade? Let me look at the tape. is at my level. I wouldn't want to take a trade. Now let me see where it starts reversing in the tape. And I don't have it on point like Mad Ass and Investor Domain. Them dudes can read that tape. It took me like a year to even analyze it like this. Look at that. Did I take another trade? Yeah, I did. And I bought a breakout. It's a breakout because it's a green candle, I guess, but it did dip. But let's see. I can't remember what I did here. So I jumped in at 795, and I don't think I should even took this trade. I don't think this is a good trade. This is definitely like a FOMO type of trade here. Like I don't like buying these breakouts over these candles, man. I bought over this candle. They work. They do work. You can get it at the right moment. I think I'm trying to try it here, but look at that. Goes against me. And I added, which was good. I'm glad I did that ad there when it came back like that. So now I have a new average, 793. With 100 shares this time. I think my mindset's messed up, man. I think I just got out. I might have got 10 cents on this though. Looking for that 8 break. Stacking up there. Do you see those walls? Those sellers? Boom, got out right there. I just took the 10 cent, man. My mindset was like, man, I just want to get some money back. And then when I have to add to my position, I be trying to get my profits quick. Like that was a bad trade. Like this whole trading system I'm showing you guys is not how I like to trade. This is all chasing FOMO trading. And I just got lucky and made money on this stock. But I got unlucky and I lost on the day because I didn't trade my strategy. I didn't trade my setups today. I only traded a couple times. And if I don't see my setups and I don't trade, you need to trade that day. I don't need to trade that day. Like, well, everybody out there, you don't have to force a trade. Not forced today. Messed up my win streak. I'm letting it run so y'all guys can get some tape action, like some reading the tape. So we got the sellers here. This is going down from here, man. Look at the resistance. $8. $8 acting like a resistance level. Look at the wick. It's coming back. See, I make another trade here. Hope I don't. Look at that. Oh, look at it bounce. Boom. All right. So I did make a trade here. Okay. So these are the trades I do like to take. This is a washout long here. This is a washout. So look how quick it's going. I jumped in 773. I'm instantly up a little bit. Like I want to get more, but I ain't gonna lie. Like this might not be the best of a good example of a good washout long, cause over here, like this candle right here this is a nasty 15-minute candle. Like the 15-minute candle is the largest time frame, so that holds like weight. It's priority. Like this is it. Like this is the one. This is the one. These stocks are following this stock here. I mean, these charts are following this chart. Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all been smoking. All right, so I should have been looking at this chart first. Play it maybe down here 754, but I want to jump in there because how fast that came down. It's a panic sell. It's a panic sell. So I like to play the end of red candles. And I like to play those panic sells like that and try to jump in and get a quick little pop. People how to profit. Like I don't know, like how to explain it, but people trying to profit like people are the short sellers up here. They're profiting. People that sold right here, they're gonna profit. And I'm trying to get in that bounce with them. At it, like these are good ass spots, good positions, but I just don't have enough share size. No, I ain't gonna say that. Really, this is not a good trade again. Only because of the 15-minute chart. Like this 15-minute chart right here is like a no, man. That's not a good looking chart on the 15. And then if I'm and then knowing that, I need to definitely scalp this and get my profits quick. Look at this. Man, at 58, 100 shares. I don't think I added to this position. I might just cut it off. Look at that. Look at, it's no green going through. There's no but red going through the tape. There goes some green, but it's not going up fast enough. That means it's heavy. The tape is heavy. Can 50s hold? Nah, I got out. Well, it's just holding, but I dropped out. I said, man, bump that, man. I said, bump that. It's playing with 50 too much for me to want to hold on to see if it's going to hold. Like it can't be down. Like red prints and it's testing 50. It can't be doing that. It needs to start showing some green like what it's doing and go up. But this candle here is a strong 5-minute red candle. That's a strong 15 red minute candle. You think that this little 3-minute candle is gonna go up against this? Nah, dog. Then you have these lines above it that acts as resistance. This is a short setup. Those you short traders out there, this is a setup for you. This is a short setup. Like, if I was gonna short, I would have shorted up here. I wouldn't be shorting down here at this level. A lot of short traders like to short this level right here, but you really shorting at a support level right here. I would be buying right here, but I'm not gonna buy this shit, though. Look at the red candle, red candle. That's why it's having a hard time to go down right there. But yeah, man, that's all I got for you, man. Little analysis, and yeah, hit like, subscribe, man. I got more of this commentary stuff, man. This is a long video, but when I actually do it for real, when I'm like around nobody, I'm gonna actually be trading live and be commentating as I'm trading, like hear my whole thought process and all that. So, holla at your boy, man. It's your boy Money Gains. Hit like and subscribe.